What kind of car do you drive?
Jeep. Trackhawk.
Trackhawk? What's your car payment?
Only $19.95.
Oh, that's not bad.
6 payments. That's it.
Hey, Jambert,
Yeah.
what kind of car do you drive?
I drive a BMW 745E.
Nice. And what's your car payment?
You don't want to know.
Okay.
At least 1,500. Easy.
Hey, Roberto,
What's up?
what kind of car do you drive?
I drive a 2016 Civic.
And what's your payment?
Like 954.
What's your interest rate?
Like 25%.
2016, 900 a month at 25% interest. He got robbed. He got robbed. Look, this is why the middle class is broke. This is why middle class people stay poor, because they would rather go and invest their money in a depreciating a liability that makes them no money. And I'm pretty sure it's at least a third, if not half of what he makes at that car dealership. I work with a lot of people in car dealerships. And even if this man makes, let's say, $5,000 a month, after taxes and like everything that he pays, this man is spending $900 a month